In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit your company Bookkeeping in QuickBooks Online. If you want to keep a close eye on changes made in your books, QuickBooks Online includes a built-in tool called the Audit Log. This feature is very useful because it helps you track user activity inside the company file, including actions like edits, deletions, and other updates. It can be especially helpful when you're reviewing unexpected changes, checking for mistakes, or simply trying to understand who did what and when. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where many account and company tools are located. Click that icon, and from the menu that appears, select Audit Log. Once you choose it, give the page a moment to load. Depending on the amount of activity in the company file, it may take a few seconds before the full log appears. After the Audit Log opens, you'll be able to review a history of user actions across the company. This log is designed to show changes in a clear timeline, making it easier to investigate activity and verify records. Rather than scrolling through everything manually, you can narrow down the results using filters, which makes the process much more efficient. Look for the filtering options on the page. You can apply filters for user, date, or events. The user filter allows you to focus on actions taken by a specific person, which is helpful if multiple team members have access to the account. The date filter lets you review activity during a specific time period, which is useful when you're trying to match changes to a certain day, week, or month. The events filter helps you isolate the type of activity you want to review, such as edits or deletions, so you can quickly find the most relevant information. Using these filters together can make your audit much more precise. For example, if you're looking into a change made recently by a certain user, combining a date range with a user filter can save a lot of time. This is one of the easiest ways to monitor activity and maintain better control over your financial records. That's how to audit your company in QuickBooks Online using the Audit Log. Once you know where to find it and how to filter the results, reviewing account activity becomes much simpler and more effective.